Now y'all know I can't leave these basic joggers like they is. So come on, let's flip them to something else. What's up, y'all? And welcome back to my channel. On today's video, I'm gonna show y'all a quick DIY with some joggers. Homecoming is tomorrow and I need me a cute little outfit, so y'all come on and help me make it. What you're gonna need for this project is a pair of joggers, however you want them to fit. I want mine to fit a little baggy, so I went oversized. I had like a large and they was too tight kind of, then I got an extra large and they a little too baggy, but I'm gonna go with the baggy ones. And then you'll need a donor pair in the same color. These grays are a tad bit off, but it don't matter because I'm going with like a gray monochromatic look anyway. So, and you also need some scissors and a sewing machine, and you probably could even glue this if you want to, but I'm just gonna sew it. I was on my Vogue app and it was, I was looking at streetwear, I think during fashion week or something like that. And I seen a girl with these on and I was like, they're right down my alley. Some jogging pants and they're cute. So y'all know I had to make them. But the first thing you want to do with your donor pair, you just put your actual pair to the side. But your donor pair, you just want to cut off. If you got the scrunchy bottom, you just want to cut it off. Get that cut, you want to open up the seam of your, you just gonna cut the inside seam of your donor pair. I'm just gonna cut all the way up. These is a really old pair of joggers, and you know once joggers get kind of old, they get the little lint ball. So we're gonna use this to get them off. It'll be linked in my LTK store, and I'll link it somewhere in the comment description or somewhere, so y'all can get y'all one. Y'all, I love this thing. And y'all, now I'm trying to see, do I want to keep the waistband to give it a stacked jogger kind of look, or I'm just gonna cut it off? I don't know. But the next step we want to do is cut down the front and the back seam. Y'all do not have to be perfect with this. We're gonna fringe it up. So now you got one side, and we're just gonna fold it in so we can cut this part. So just fold it on each other and straighten it out. Over the bottom. So now you can just cut the pocket off because we don't need the pocket. So right here, I was thinking I was gonna need both sides of the donor joggers to fit across the front, but I end up only needing to use one side. Now we just gonna cut fringes. Y'all can measure if you want to. I'm not gonna do all that. I'm just gonna cut. I'm just gonna cut it up. I mean, if you want a lot of fringes, you cut smaller. If you don't want that many, you cut them bigger. Because material like this, once you pull it, it gonna roll up on itself. So you're not even gonna see if you don't cut it right. So we just gonna start cutting. I'm gonna do mine sort of small, maybe about a half an inch. About an inch. You wanna cut it all the way up until you get to your waistband right here. I'm gonna finish cutting this up and then I'll be back. It would go a lot faster if I could use this and just cut, but I don't have anything to cut it on. I don't have a mat, so I can't use this. So Okay, after a million years and a soul thumb, we got one dead. Now you want to take these scripts and you want to pull. You want to pull them until you see they curl up. So you just pull. This is how it looked when I was done, and they didn't stay rolled up like I wanted them to, but it still turned out okay. Now I put them over the jogger to see how they was gonna look, and they look fine. So it's time to take them to the sewing machine and sew it on to the jogger. Now you know I got to show y'all how I style it. I went with all gray, and I made this t-shirt myself. It was homecoming, y'all, so I had to represent my school. And plus, my daughter was on the homecoming court.